guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are making garlic bread. First, add 3/4 cup of warm water into a small bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Now mix these 3 ingredients together. Set this mixture to the side until a small foam add a little bit of salt to a large mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of the flour into the bowl but leave the other cup to the side. Add the yeast mixture to the flour and salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to the mixture and then mix this all together to combine. It should become very smooth. The remaining 1 cup of flour to the batter and the dough should become a ball. Let the dough sit until it has doubled in size. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and sprinkle flour over the baking pan. Gently punch down the dough until it resembles a rectangle. Add the butter and garlic into a microwavable bowl and microwave for 30 seconds or until the butter is melted. Spread the butter-garlic mixture onto the dough. Sprinkle any cheeses you would like onto the dough. I used Parmesan, mozzarella, and cheddar. Now bake the yummy bread in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is brown at the top. This is how your delicious bread should look at the end. This bread can be dipped in a lot of sauces, but I used marinara. Thank you for watching and please make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every single Friday.